Trying to play bowling. Gavin's trying to help. He's doing his best, but he keeps knocking over the pins. Gavin's trying to help, Liam. Gavin's trying to help with the pin. And now he's just stealing it. He's not... Oh, now he got the black ball. Did you give up, Gavin? Did you give up trying to help? Good bowling. No pushing, no pushing. No pushing, please. Oh dear. He's trying to help, Liam. Gavin's gonna help you. Gavin's trying to help you with the pins. Oh, he's gonna run away with the black ball. Oh dear. Yes, he is. He's a thief after all. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Oh dear. Go ahead, Liam. Come on, hurry, hurry before Gavin comes, hurry. Yay!